Nissan intelligent key fobs use RFID and LF signals to communicate with your vehicle. Reprogramming or relearning syncs the fob's unique ID to the car's ECU. This is crucial for security. Two main methods exist: the ignition cycle and using OBD2 diagnostic tools. Fobs must be blank or programmed specifically for your vehicle, matching the transponder chip requirements like ID46 or ID4D. Modern systems use rolling codes to prevent replay attacks, demanding precise timing. Failure can result from dead batteries, signal interference, or incorrect fob frequencies like 314 MHz or 433 MHz. Nissan recommends professional reprogramming at dealerships to avoid voiding warranties or causing malfunctions. Despite this, DIY relearn is possible with high success rates over 80% based on user reports on forums. Future trends include smartphone app integration for remote relearn, with Nissan's Connect app already offering remote diagnostics. Security advancements include biometric fobs and blockchain authentication to prevent hacking. There is a potential shift to fully app-based systems by 2030, eliminating physical fobs. Keep in mind the risk of hacking incidents, so it is important to follow secure relearn protocols.